In this video, I'm going to show you how to display the bookmarks bar in Google Chrome, and I will also show you how to add and manage bookmarks on that bar step by step. First of all, go ahead and open your Google Chrome web browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see 3 vertical dots. This is the Chrome menu button. Go ahead and left-click on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click on Settings. After clicking on Settings, a new tab will open showing Chrome settings. Now look at the left side of the screen. Scroll down a little and find the option called Appearance. It is usually the 5th option from the top. Click on Appearance. In the Appearance section, you will see several options such as Theme, Show Home Button, Show Bookmarks Bar, Font Size, Page Zoom, Customize Fonts. For this video, we are focusing on Show Bookmarks Bar. Right now, the toggle may be turned off, which means the bookmarks bar is hidden. To show the bookmarks bar, simply click the toggle button next to Show Bookmarks Bar and turn it on. As soon as you turn it on, look at the top of your browser window. You will now see the bookmarks bar appear just below the address bar. If you already have saved bookmarks, they will now show up here as icons and text links. Now let me show you how to add a new bookmark to the bookmarks bar. Go to any website that you want to save. For example, I'm using my YouTube channel page. Once you are on the website, look again at the address bar at the top. On the right side of the address bar, you will see a star icon. When you hover your mouse over the star, it will say Bookmark this tab. Go ahead and click on the star icon. A small window will pop up that says Bookmark Added. Here, you can change the name of the bookmark. Choose the folder where it will be saved. Make sure the folder is set to Bookmarks Bar if you want it to appear at the top of your browser. You can also click the small arrow to choose a different folder, but for now, leave it on Bookmarks Bar. Once everything looks correct, click on Done. Now look back at the Bookmarks Bar at the top of your browser. You will see the new website has been added as a bookmark. You can click on it anytime to open that website instantly, and that's it. That is how to show the bookmarks bar in Google Chrome and how to add new bookmarks to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials updates. Thanks for watching.